Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Yogesh Rajendra Gawande. I belongs to a rural part of Aurangabad district. Uh, Currently, I'm working in my own startup. My startup name is Neo Innovative Solutions LLP. We works in agriculture sector. We have developed a unique product, which is Neo Spray Pump. You can get information and videos on my website also and YouTube channel also. My YouTube channel name is Neo Innovative Solutions LLP. We have developed a sprayer. Basically, farmers do spraying, or usually the traditional method is we have farmers have to take tank on their back and use to spray. We have developed a wheel-based sprayer and which can reduce farmers' time, efforts, and money.
So you can share
We
your
have our
details on a chat panel.
yes.
Yeah. Next,
Good.
आनंद जी आपके और विजिटर कौन है?
No, actually, another person is Yogesh Pawar. He is from 3D. Unfortunately, he is
No, he's
traveling.
just joined. He has
Yeah,
joined.
yeah.
He has joined.
joined.
Yogesh Pawar has joined. Yeah.
Yeah, Yogesh Pawar, you
if you
can
can just
introduce yourself. Yogesh Pawar, please introduce yourself.
Hello.
Yogesh, are you able? Yeah, Yogesh Pawar.
Am I
please introduce-
audible?
Yeah, Yogesh,
Yes.
आप
You
अपना
are
video on
audible
कर-
and your video is to be put on.
Sir, video, I think there is some issue, but
Okay.
if it is okay, I can continue like this.
No problem.
Yeah, please continue.
Yeah. So basically, I'm managing my own startup. We are into 3D printing services, and we manufacture parts without dies and molds. So 3D printing is a new technology in which any part or any complex part which was not manufacturable earlier due to manufacturing constraints can be manufactured without die and without mold. So like there were manufacturing constraints earlier where if there is an undercut or if the part is critical, manufacturing was not possible. So design needs to be altered and then it was manufactured. But due to 3D printing, you can manufacture any type of part, like part in part manufacturing can be done, conformal cooling can be done. So any part which you want to make can be done, and only single piece also can be manufactured. There is no requirement for mass quantities and all. Small batch productions or single piece of the part can be manufactured, and it can be delivered all over India by us.
Good.
Basically, we
Yeah,
have.
please share your details.
Yes.
Share your details on the chat box so that we can connect with you.
Yes. Sir. Yes. So basically, we are located in Aurangabad. We also manufacture one of the raw material for our 3D printing machines technology, which is available, FDM 3D printing machine. For that raw material, we are manufacturing PLA and ABS, which we also export to US as well. And we deliver it all over India through courier. We manufacture here it in Aurangabad as well.
So योगेश जी अपना chat panel में डाल दीजिए. Any other?
I'll just share my details. Okay.
Yeah, thanks.
That's all.
Any other
Yeah.
new guest?
Yeah, we also have Sandeep Nath.
Yeah, Mr. Sandeep.
Good morning, everybody. Thank you for having me here. My name is Sandeep Nath, and I work in the space of helping professionals, entrepreneurs, and executives to reduce stress and increase their health, happiness, and harmony. Also, productivity as a consequence through the practices from ancient Oriental wisdom. So there is a lot of knowledge that we used to have in the Vedic methods and the Chinese practices and practices from Tibet and Japan. And I've had the good fortune of learning from masters from all these areas. And I bring about 30 years of corporate experience along with that mastery to help entrepreneurs and organizations increase their efficiency and increase their revenue as a consequence, because they close the gaps in the bucket. There is always a leaky bucket where because of stress we lose a lot of revenue and efficiency. And we can pack that up with the kind of principles that we've known from ages ago. So more about me at sandeepnath.com. I'd love to connect with each one of you.
Yeah.
I'm also the founder of Renewalism, which is a movement for renewing the human consciousness and bringing ourselves in alignment with mind, body, and spirit. And I have a book called Renewal, which is available to each one of you at renewalism.com/PSS. So I'd love to have your feedback on the book as you download it and read it. Thank you.
Sure. Thank you, Sandeep ji. So, any other new member, please? Suchita madam is there.
Yeah. Good morning, everyone. I'm Sucheta from Hyderabad. I'm a quilt manufacturer and exporter, and started 5 years back and into 6 international markets by now. And I launched one more startup 2 months back, that is Her Market. We are providing the marketing solutions and selling support to women manufacturers. By now, we are having 100 women manufacturers on board. We're doing it in 3 formats. One is online B2B, then store-based B2B, and third format is export consortium. We are doing this. The main motto for launching the startup was, whatever we have gone through to launch our business, the other women shouldn't go through the same pain. And we have diversified businesses on our board, right from 50,000 turnover to 6-7 crores turnover. We have the women manufacturers pan India. 3 years down the line, we are aiming at 1 lakh women manufacturers to join us. That's all.
So, I think all the visitors were so.
So Sucheta ji is not a visitor. She has joined Inner Circle,
Oh, great.
but nonetheless, she's come for the first time.
Yeah.
So first of all, congratulations all of you, and welcome all the new members to today's meeting, and welcome Suchita ji on Inner Circle platform. So I'll move to the PPT section. So. Can you see the PPT? Can you see?
Yeah,
Yes.
we are able to see this.
Yeah.
We are talking about Inner Circle from width to depth, where we have Inner Circle. We can talk about this, where a power networking structure consisting of handpicking entrepreneurs who meet regularly to build business. 5 core elements are exchange of opportunities, problem solving, knowledge sharing, second degree contacts, and expand industry connect. So those who are new, probably this is new for them. This helps you to grow your business multifold. If you have an excellent connects with each other, then this will help you definitely. So there is one small promise which we discussed to, and we all will talk about, or take a oath kind of. So I request all of you to take this oath along with Atul Puri. So I request Atul Puri to start this, and we all will speak about repeat it.
All right. So I, Atul Puri, am passionate.
Slow, Atul, I'm sorry, you have to go slow.
Okay.
Take responsibility all the time. Being innovative and
Sorry, everyone. It is like Atul will speak and then we will repeat it. So Atul, you go slow like I, then people will say I, then you say Atul Puri, then people will take their name, and then I am passionate about, and then like that.
Okay, done. Great. Thank you. I, Atul Puri, am passionate about being in action, being innovative, and generous, taking responsibility at all times. I am committed
I am
committed
to sustainable business
to sustainable business
Sustainable business.
in my space.
in my
My
space.
Business experiences exponential growth.
Business
Business
experiences growth.
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 Inner circle continues to evolve
Inner circle
Continue to evolve
All
as a structured ecosystem.
as
as
a
a
structured
structured
ecosystem.
ecosystem.
It is my promise.
It is my promise.
Thank you all.
Thank you, Atul. Thank you all.
Thank you, Atulji.
So we have our own eGrowth app also, where you get a business advisory, promotional wall, P2P chat, event, discussion forum. So those who have not downloaded it, please download and start experiencing it. It is an excellent tool where you can network with people. So let's see the leadership team today. We have Mr. Atul Puri, who is the founder of eGrowth. Mr. Harihar Sharma, he is the president now. Me, myself, Virendra Ingle, vice president for eGrowth. Then we have a leadership team like Dharmishta, who is with us for day one, and she is the, you can say, a mentor for eGrowth. Mr. Vijay C. Shaha, Mr. Saurabh Khanna, Ms. Nilima Khanna, then Ms. Rekha Agashe, Aarti Bhallaji, Sanjeev Ahuja Saab, Jyoti Jain, Mr. Ranjan Arora, Mr. Rajesh Pandit, and Shri Vidya ji. Then we have Yogesh Wadhwani Saab, Krishnamurthy Sagram, Mithilesh Jha Saab, Vikas Goyal ji, Dipti Srivastava, Kwasi Daginawala, sorry.
Kusai Daginawala.
Then Niket Pokharna, Saurabh Khanna, JP Singh, Peter DeCosta, Shripad Kulkarni Saab, Amit Chawla ji, and Harjinder Singh Chima Saab. So these are all our leadership team, and we are going to talk about them today. Amit Singh ji, Ashutosh Kant, Dipankar Parashar, Satya ji Gupta, Sharda Bhatia, Anand Rao ji, Anand Kumar Naik Saab, Madhura ji, Manish Kumar ji, Martin, then Rajesh Buddhiraja ji, Sanjay Kumar ji, then Sri Nandan Balerao Saab, Sonali Joshi madam. Then we have
I think in this we have put all the people in the inner circle. Yeah.
So
great.
I think there is a small thing correction I will do.
Fair enough. Yeah, done. Yeah.
So we have Mr. S.V. Subramaniam, Indrajit Prajapati, and Amir Birani ji. Baki logo ke photo aane Tapan Kumar, James, then Rajiv ji, then Bhaskar Kulkarni, Navin Gill, and GS Ahuja. So we will now see, very fast that what they do now. So the first is Mr. Atul Puri. Atul ji, aap introduce yourself. Fatafat.
All right. So I'm the founder of eGrowth. So Inner Circle is here courtesy. It was my thought a couple of years back, and that's what we've been up to. My ask is get me connected to as many industry bodies as possible, and we'll build it from there. My give is you have any challenges in your business, I'll be glad to work with you to look at what all resources you can leverage to grow your business.
Thank you very much, Atulji. So Atulji is from Gurgaon, and we have Mr. Harihar Sharma ji, who is the president of eGrowth now.
I am Harihar Sharma, and I'm into a healthy snacks big business, so which is a blue ocean strategy, which means that I'm the only one having such a kind of a business model, which is there here. So I am looking out for fast-moving consumer good distributors who are across India. It's not only in this place, but across India or even abroad. I'm looking for distributors or franchisees setting up with us, and I could give and help people who are, since I'm connected to various networking platforms in Maharashtra. If anyone are looking for any connection in Maharashtra, I'm there to help you as a single point. Thank you.
Thank you, Harihar ji. Okay, this is myself. My name is Virendra Ingle. I'm the vice president of eGrowth and director of Velocity Accelerator. I'm a I'm doing multiple businesses. I'm into pharmaceutical retail chain and having my mobile app. My ask is to connect with the business owners, Tally users, as well as people with 10 plus team and 1 crore plus revenue, so that I can offer them my consultancy. My give is 30 minutes call to address their key business challenges. And I'm also offering BizMIS app absolutely at 50% discount to all the business owners, so that they can check their management information system on their mobile on the go. Thank you very much. Dharmishta ji.
Good morning, eGrowth. This is Dharmishta here, based in Mumbai, services pan-India, as you can see in the profile. I lead a community group of mommies based in Mumbai, Mulund, Bhandup and Thana. So my give is definitely a strength of all these hardcore networkers. My ask is CA and lawyers pan-India. Connect with me on my mobile as and when you so please. Thank you.
Thank you, Dharmishta ji. Mr. Vijay Shah. Mr. Vijay Shah is there?
No, he's not there.
So
Not
Mr.
there.
Vijay Shah is with us, and he's basically a consultant and the insurance broker. So you can note down his detail and you can connect it with him one-to-one. Mr. Saurabh Khanna, I think he's also not there. He's into the business of CCTV and electronic security products. You can note down his contact detail and you can connect with him one-to-one. Miss Neelam Khanna, she is the psychologist and psychotherapist. A Divine Training Center is the name of our company. So you can contact if you have any, she's there to resolve the grievances by using psychological techniques. So you can note down her contact detail and contact her. We have Ms. Rekha Agashe. She is the director of High Sales Consulting, and they are into sales training. So those who are looking for training sessions in sales domain can contact with Rekha ji, and her number is also mentioned. Their email address is also mentioned there. Ms. Aarti Bhalla, she's the advocate. So that's what you guys can see that there are slides which are blank. So I'll request those who are, those who can see and help me to fill up their details, which will help me or help eGrowth to talk about you in much detail, even in your absence. So she is the advocate by profession, and that's what we know about her. And probably you can contact her to know more detail and have a one-to-one with her. We have Mr. Sanjeev Ahuja. He's the director of RS2 Private Limited. And he's ex-merchant Navy, and you can contact him to know more about his business. We have Ms. Jyoti Jain. She's brand over the moon. She's into digital marketing and brand Marcom business. So if you want to promote your products, brands, so you can contact with Jyoti madam. We have Mr. Rajan Arora. He's into food product business. He's the manufacturer and exporter of spices and pulses, tea, rice, oils, and other groceries. So maybe people, those who feel that you can help him in exports, transport, and maybe in contact with him for your distribution business, can contact with him. Mr. Rajesh Pandit ji, so you are here. Please, sir, आप अपने आप को introduce करें.
Thank you, Virendra ji. I'm Rajesh Pandit, founder director. Okay, so that company name is not correct. I'll just correct it. Sorry. Company name is Amicus Infotech Private Limited. So we are into web and mobile application development. We are in this field for the last 20 years and have been doing business all over the globe. Okay. One of our products which we are just focusing on is Salesforce automation products, so which is used by companies to take complete control on their field activities, right from their remote attendance to their travels, to their travel, to their sales orders, to their each and every activity. So whatever they perform on the field, so you can just keep a track of them and then just have an elaborated MIS reports of that. So I can just assure you that so you can track their activities more than the guys who are sitting in the office. And my ask is that introduce me to the companies who want to have an efficient field system, and introduce me to the companies who have more than 10 guys working in the field. And I can just I can just introduce you to the existing companies which with which I am working, and mainly so one of the 3-4 new companies which have just closed recently are in distillery category. So if anybody wants to have a connect over there, I'm ready to offer those. Thank you.
Thank you, Rajesh. We will move to the next slide. Miss Srividya Gold. I think she's not there. She is into Pure Energy Academy and an astrologer. So those who wants to know more about their life can contact with Srividya ji. We have Mr. Yogesh Wadhwani. Yes, he's there. So Yogesh, you have to complete your profile as well. So today you have an opportunity to talk about yourself. Next week, we would love to see your profile complete.
Yes, thank you. Thank you, Indraji. Good morning, everybody. So my name is Yogesh Wadhwani and my company's name is Shwil Medicom Private Limited. I'm into the business of hospital infection control. So it's a research fact that 33% of ICU patients die due to the hospital acquired infections, which they pick up from the hospitals. And in India, this figure is as high as 46%. So my work is to work with hospitals to reduce these infections and reduce the deaths subsequently. I provide trainings, I provide the certifications and surveillance mechanisms for the hospitals, clinics, and labs. And along with that, I also provide the products to reduce these infections. Products are like disinfectants, like equipments to test these infections, and also personal protection products. So I operate from Delhi, and my give is basically all the doctors and hospitals in my contact sphere. And ask also will be owner-driven hospitals. So I like to get connected to owners of hospitals and pathology labs. Thank you.
Thank you, Yogesh. So please complete your profile so that we can
see. I'll do that.
All across India, Yogesh, we can give you references.
Yeah. Thank you.
Yes, we have Mr. Krishnamurthy Sagram. So Mr. Krishnamurthy, please introduce yourself if he is there. I think this is the wrong photo with the wrong person, if I'm not wrong. No. Okay.
Photo is right, company is wrong.
Company is wrong. I think the profile is also wrong. What? No,
no, he's right. That's absolutely fine.
Yeah.
Profile is correct. Company ka naam BBN Global.
I apologize, people, because I got the information in Excel form and we tried to plug it. So that's the reason I sent it to you so that you can complete your profile in a better way. So again, I'm going to share the entire PPT to you today itself, and you can complete your profile and send it back to me so that there is no mistakes in the next upcoming meetings. Yeah.
And here's my request to everybody. Just join your hands together to give a big round of applause to Virendra for having put this together. I know some of your names may be missing. Also, some of the data may not be in place. But at least
efforts, so I know that. So the kind of efforts.
Yeah.
We should be focusing on the effort score than the result score.
Absolutely.
Yes.
Rather, I add one more thing that we should apologize Virendra for troubling him.
Yes.
Yeah, at least we should apologize him for not giving the information.
Not giving the data. Yes. Very true.
Yes, so that is one. So one
thing
we know
from my side.
Yes.
So first of all, thank you. And it is not my individual effort. So Ronik also put lots of effort into this, giving me data and putting some inputs into that. So definitely, she shares the entire success. Second thing is, yes, I'm going to share that, and it will be a great help to make this a successful and impactful presentation. And people can get this slide, they can refer this in the future, and I'm going to share the entire deck so that you can keep that into your contact list. You can connect with them in the future as well. Yeah.
Sure.
And also, I'd like to share that what we plan is that we'll be sharing this deck with the guests who come.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
So that way, the information of all the people will be there with the guests who are coming in. So then they know whom to connect. And
Absolutely
this
perfect.
does not mean that you should not come for the meetings, considering that your slide will be shown.
Right.
Yeah, please.
So, Mr. Krishnamurthy, please introduce yourself. I think he was facing some network issue, but
Yes,
I
he
hope
was. Yeah.
Is he there? I doubt. Okay, so we'll move to another
Can I
slide.
talk a little about him?
Yeah, please.
Yeah, Mr. Krishnamurthy Sagaram his core business is immigration and education facilities across the globe, particularly UK and USA. That is his expertise, and he's having his own NGO owned by himself in Canada, through which he is operating all these things. Presently, he's into in Hyderabad, and maybe after April, he may go off to Canada for some time again to resettle everything.
Okay, great.
That is a little brief about him. He is also one of the spokesperson for water and waste management, which is the virtual exhibition is scheduled on 23rd, 4th, and 5th of this month, February. We all request every one of us should register on that and try to visit the exhibition, so that once we visit it, we'll really know what it is exactly. So the next coming years, we'll be definitely willing to participate in it. Thank you for the time given.
Mr. Misle Jhaji.
गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन।
गुड
मॉर्निंग।
मैं मिथिलेश झा अपने होम टाउन भागलपुर से बोल रहा हूं और मैं लॉजिस्टिक्स इंडस्ट्री में 22 साल से हूं। 12 साल तक टाटा स्टील में काम किया, टाटा स्टील के लॉजिस्टिक डिवीजन में, और 2011 से अपनी टेकीज इंडिया नाम की लॉजिस्टिक्स कंपनी रन कर रहा हूं। हम लोगों का स्ट्रेंथ है ये 10 किलो कार्गो से लेके 10 मीट्रिक टन कार्गो को हम हैंडल करते हैं, चाहे वो
इंग्लिश बोलेंगे तो थोड़ा अच्छा रहेगा।
ठीक है। वी आर हैंडलिंग 10 kg cargo to 10,000 metric ton cargo, international cargo. It is either it is import or export. Nehru Place is our head office, Delhi Nehru Place, Delhi head office, and Singapore, we have office in Singapore and warehouse in China. ODC cargo is our main forte. We are specialized in ODC cargo. So any moment, any international movement, we are there for you. So, and Multitrax Filtration is my gift. Anyone wanted to connect in Multitrax, Multitrax is a oil and gas company, and any exporter importer is my ask. Thank you, Virendra ji.
Thank you, Mitlesh ji. Thank you very much. Yes, we have Mr. Vikas Goel. Vikas is there?
No, he's not there.
So he is basically into architect and interior business. So those who are looking for an interior designer, then contact him. I think we have Dipti Mastava, so we don't have details about her much, but she is from Good Mantra.
So she runs a cloud kitchen. Others, please go on mute. We're getting some disturbance.
Yeah. Then we have Mr. Kosi Daginawala. Kosai Daginawala. Sorry. So he is into, I think, visiting card, digital visiting card.
Digital business card, yeah.
The digital business card. So
and also into international trading and those kind of stuff, yeah.
Yeah. Right. So please request him also, Atulji, to
sure, yeah.
Yes, we have the youngest person, Mr. Sukhdeepak Malwai. Mr. Sukhdeepak ji.
Yeah, good morning, everybody. I've been in the field of training and development for more than 35 years, conducting training programs and coaching people in about 17 countries. My passion is to help people increase their productivity while keeping their well-being intact. These two things go hand in hand, I believe. The most important thing is that performers, high performers are high energy and high focus people. And there are a lot of things which take away energy and focus from a person. So I work with them at a mental, physical, and an emotional level so that they become high focus and high energy people, and they start producing extraordinary results. Now, for the last 15 years, I have added the element of something called the spiritual quotient, and I help people to raise their spiritual quotient. And when people do that, there are miraculous results in life. So my ask is, connect me with entrepreneurs who wish to grow their business or who are facing problems. I will help them to see possibilities and deal with them and create systems and processes and methods of how to deal with those things on an ongoing basis, number one. Number two, you can connect me with individuals who can become a part of my Good to Great program, where they are going to be ongoingly working to develop themselves. And to all the entrepreneurs in this call, if you want to develop your people, I have a program which at a very minimal cost will help you to train your people to make them more productive and effective, better communicators, better in interpersonal skills which are required for work. Almost everything that a person needs to be happy and productive and stress-free, that is there in the program. So you can connect those people with me. And I have a specific ask from Anil Thomas. Anil, it's time I started speaking with you all again. So I'm open to and available to speak to your platform as well. So thank you very much, everybody.
Thank you, Sukhdeepakji. Mr. Niket Pokharna, so he's not there. So Mr. Niket is there?
No, he's not there.
Okay, right. Yeah, Mr. Subrata Chatterjee. So I think he's also not there. He's into digital marketing. Mr. JP Singh.
Even he's not there.
So he's into solar energy advisory. Mr. Peter DeCosta. So Mr. Peter is also not there. He's into e-platform, and he is, I think, from which country?
So Peter is from Australia, from Sydney, and he's somebody who's helping businesses from Australia to establish businesses across the globe, and for the Indian business to expand into Australia.
We have Mr. Shripas Kulkarni. Is he there?
No, he's not there.
He's the founder of BBN Global, and he's also into metal parts. He's the director of Shree Group companies. We have GS Ahuja. Is he there?
No.
Mr. Chima, Mr. Harjinder Singh Chima ji.
He's also not there.
So he's the founder of Chima Boilers Limited, India's 4th largest boiler manufacturer company in India. Yes, we have Mr. Ravindra Kumar Mishra ji. Ravindra ji, please introduce yourself. Mr. Ravindra?
Good morning, everybody. I am telecom personnel, having 35 years served in government services, especially in telecommunication domain, in DOT ministry, TRI, and all the PSUs are under the Ministry of Communication. Thereafter, presently I'm CEO of SAM Corp Advisors, which is in their consultancy firm for the telecommunication. In telecommunication, anybody wants any license in telecommunication domain for operating in India, he needs to take a license. We facilitate giving them, organizing everything for them. And thereafter, compliances, which is much more complicated. To try compliance to licensor. So we facilitate here and we serve the companies who are in telecom business. They are our main client. Ask is any telecom company, we can support them. And give is anywhere in government, if any issue is there with our friends, we can always support. Thank you.
Mr. Amit Singh. So he's also not there. He's into retail business of garments. Mr. Ashutosh Kant. So he's also not there. Mr. Leader, he's the leader and futurist. Then Mr. Dipankar Parasar. Mr. Dipankar is there?
No, he's not there.
So he is into transport and logistic business. Mr. Naveen Gill.
He is also not there.
He's also not there. Yes, we have Mr. Satya Gupta.
Oh, yeah, good morning, everyone. I'm Satya Gupta, a social entrepreneur from New Delhi. I run two startups. One of them is Blue Town India, connecting the unconnected. I also chair the India IPv6 forum to take the country towards Atmanirbhar Connected Bharat. My ask is, as you are already helping me in that, to help one of my social enterprise called DigiGaon Foundation by connecting me to the CSR heads of your connects or your own company. My give is I can conduct a workshop or a training session on blue ocean strategy for you, your team, your connects, or anybody in the country on a pro bono basis. My basically, you can say secret is that when I do my workshop in India, these are pro bono, and all my actually money comes when I do them outside the country or for the people outside the country. Thank you.
Thank you, Satyaji. Ms. Sharda Bhatia. So she is also not there. Yes, we have Mr. Amit Chawla ji.
Yeah, good morning, everyone. So my name is Amit Chawla. I'm a business clarity coach with 3 decades of corporate leadership experience in the software industry. I'm also a Josh Talk speaker and also author of the bestseller book, The Clarity First. And what I do for a living now is I coach entrepreneurs and business owners in attracting high-paying customers and creating high-performing team that takes their company to the next level. And I do that through my personalized clarity coaching sessions. I operate from Gurgaon in my office called Clarity Hive. And my ask is connect me with tech entrepreneurs, basically who are running software company with 50 plus team members and 10 CR plus revenue. And give for them would be anybody like that is connected. I'll be giving a free 90-minute strategy session with that, as well as I'll have another give is there's a guy called Amit Roy. He's into marketing and business storytelling. So if anybody wants to get into the improve their marketing skills and also understand how stories have to be told, I can get him connected to you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Amit ji. Mr. Anand Dinkar Rao Pol, sorry. Anand sir. Anand sir, are you there?
Yeah, he's there. I think he'll come back. Maybe he's shifted somewhere. His video is also off.
So can I move forward?
Yes, sir.
Anand ji, are you there? Yeah. Mr. Anand Kumar Naik.
Good morning, all. This is Anand Kumar from Hyderabad. My company name is actually, okay, we have to change, make changes. I will change it and send it again. My company name is Swami Samartha Agro Industries. That is my primary company through which I do the import-export work. I have a thank you note here for Mithilesh ji for giving a good response and providing me the required quotation in good time. Mithilesh ji, we are working on it. So as soon as it is done, I will come back to you again. I have asked, I'm also a corporate, I'm into water and waste management organizing committee for looking after the corporate affairs. Again, I'm repeating the ask of the same ask of which I said for Mr. Krishnamurthy. kindly register on the water and waste management link, which we will provide into the app as well as on eGrowth platform. Kindly register and visit our exhibition and find out new opportunities for expansion the horizons of your own business along with us. Thank you very much. This is Anand Kumar from Hyderabad.
Thank you very much. Mr. Anand Pol is here, I think. So, Mr. Anand, if you can just
Myself Anand Pol. I'm from Aurangabad, Maharashtra. Having almost 40 years of the industrial experience. I'm a trainer, faculty for MBA and ICWA classes. I'm a functional mapping expert for SAP, Oracle, and MS Navision. My ask is to get introduced myself in Maharashtra region, particularly to provide these facilities. And my give, as I said, is I'm an expert for the functional mapping of the soft systems. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. So, Mr. James.
Good morning. I'll send a photo later. Let me put my video on as well. Okay, so company name is GameSpace Thailand. Business category is gamification and using games to improve businesses. My background is loyalty, marketing, mechanical engineering as well. In terms of my ask is introduction to any business decision makers who want to improve their processes with gamification. And the give is 30 minutes to advise on the application of the technologies with games to marketing, animation as well, and where gamification can be used to improve your business.
Thank you very much, James. Miss Madhura, is she there?
No, she's not there.
Mr. Manish Kumar, yes.
Thank you, Ji. And myself, Manish, by profession, I'm chartered accountant. I'm providing the business and tax consultancy to business owner. Last week, I have provided the monthly MIS to GRS and helped to identify old debtors and given the roadmap to recover old debtors. So once again, myself, Manish from Delhi. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Mr. Martin is there?
No, he's also not there.
Okay. Mr. Rajiv Mahajan?
He is also not there. Mr. Rajiv Mahajan, he's into fundraising, so he can help you in raising funds either through debt or equity.
Mr. Rajesh Budraja.
Yeah. Hi, good morning. Rajesh Budraja. I'm from New Delhi. By education, I did my chemical engineering from IIT Kharagpur in 1976. And I've been in the corporate world after that in companies like Thermax, Punj Lloyd. I was last as director of operations at Roots Cooling Systems. My experience is essentially into air conditioning and ventilation. And for the last 2 years, I built a knowledge platform called ZS India, where I've invited a lot of experts in the area of air conditioning, natural ventilation, instrumentation, and control. And we offer consultancy to industrial organizations to optimize their operation, to create good indoor air quality, to improve the productivity of people. My gift for today is a company called Vimal Plastics. They are into injection molding of plastic components based out of New Delhi. And my ask is if you can connect me to production heads of tire manufacturing companies, because we have some good solutions for tire companies to improve their indoor air quality and productivity, especially in the tire curing area. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Rajeshji. Mr. Sanjay Kumar Agarwal, is he there?
No, he's not there.
Mr. Srinandan Balirao?
Even he's not there.
Ms. Sonali Joshi?
Even she's not there.
Mr. Subramaniam?
Even he is not there.
Tapan Kumar ji aaye hain shayad. Mr. Tapan Kumar?
I'm not sure if he's there.
Okay. Mr. Indrajit Prajapati.
Oh, Tapan is there. Tapan Nathji, if you can please introduce yourself. Okay, I think he stepped out. Next. Yeah.
Indrajit Prajapati ji. Mr. Amir Virani.
Even he's not there.
Bhaskar, Mr. Bhaskar Chilukuri.
No, he's not there.
Okay, thank you everyone.
Krishnamurthy can talk about Bhaskar Chilukuri.
Okay. So, right. So thank you very much.
Anil Thomas, we've missed.
Mr.
Anil Thomas.
Yeah. So I think his name was not mentioned in the PPT.
No worries. Yeah.
Yeah. So, Mr. Anil Thomas can introduce himself.
Atulji, good morning.
Yeah.
Very good morning to all. I'm joining you from Dubai. My name is, as Atul sir mentioned, Anil Thomas.
No, even if I don't mention it, it continues to be Anil Thomas.
Absolutely.
Yeah, please.
So, by profession, I'm an aerospace engineer and have some qualifications in applied psychology and management. Currently, I'm working as a chief operating officer for Brain City. Brain City is an online educational platform where we connect trainers with people directly. So that's what we do. In a week from now, we will be completely fully operational, and I will be contacting more of trainers in the sense technical trainers and the life skills trainers both. So this is what it's all about me, and I don't have any specific ask for today, but definitely in coming days I will have more. Thank you very much, Aditi.
And do share your details so that those can go on the presentation.
All right, I will do that. Yes.
And even ask Alifia to do that.
Sure.
Yeah, please.
We'll do that. Yeah.
So I think we are already.
I think
Mr. Tapan Da is there. I can see him on the
Yes, sir. Good morning. Namaste. Namaste.
So please introduce yourself.
After a long time, anyway, this is Tapan Kumar Nath, retired Bangladesh Civil Service and Deputy Secretary. I work now in consulting in different organization. Last month, I joined in a media house as a chief executive officer. My field is urban environmental infrastructure. Now I am working with Gypsy Food in Matarbari in Chittagong, Cox's Bazar, and my interest is educational promotion, and having 6 master degrees. So I have versatile, interest. I am a clinical psychologist. I am a special language therapist. I have autism center in Bangladesh, and last year, this time in January, I visited Kolkata Indian Autism Center. Someone, Mr. Suresh, donated $70 million. So having this kind of fun, we can help the mentally neurodevelopmentally disabled. This is my main interest, and really I'm enjoying my retail life as a consulting in 4 or 5 organization part-time, mostly part-time, and mostly working from home. Coming March, I'll be joining in a very big real estate company having huge asset. Another field, alternative medicine. We have herbal, modern herbal. I am advisor to the MD of the modern herbal. We are very interested to import herbal product, Ayurvedic product, or what do we say that Hamdard kind of thing. I visited in Delhi. This is my interest. So I am a practitioner doctor also. Thank you. Later we will be joining in any manner we can answer. Thank you very much.
So thank you very much. So I think it is already 9:49, and we are for our. But this was very important to form our new structure of PPT, and that's the reason it took more time. From next meetings, we will not get much time. We will put a timer on it, so that your slide will come there for that much of time, and it will move to the next one. So you have to complete your introduction to that, and after that your introduction will be sent to all the participants. So don't worry about it. So it's not that your information will not go to or reach to the members. It will even reach to the people, those who are visitors.
But the point is we have to cover all the details into a given time frame. So I'll request Mr. Sukhdeepak Malvai ji to start his knowledge session. अतुल जी कैसे करें knowledge session भी और create session भी? अमित जी भी एकदम तैयार होके बैठे हैं.
So we'll have to keep it very crisp.
Yes.
Don't worry. I intend to.
Yeah, please.
All right. Good morning, everybody.
So maybe instead of 15 minutes, let us take maybe say around 10 minutes and the knowledge session. Yeah.
Can I start now?
Yeah, please.
Okay. Good morning, everybody. And what do you teach people who know everything? That was the first thought which came to me. What do you tell people who are already extraordinary? Why extraordinary? Because you got the courage to step out of cushy jobs and do something where there is a lot of uncertainty. So that makes you bold. That makes you people who want to do things. Now, I want you to get in touch with someone we all know, and that will be this little kid in your house who is very extraordinary. You know why? Because he always gets what he wants. And why does he get what he wants? Because he's not afraid to ask. He will keep asking and asking and asking and asking until he gets what he wants. But we guys are very knowledgeable people, you see, so we will ask. So I want to ask you one simple question. At least I have been noticing that, and I'm sharing for myself, it includes me also. For a long time, I was afraid to ask. So today, for the first time, I took a very bold step in front of everybody. I asked Anil what I wanted. Okay? Now you watch when we are, see, look, we all want something. That's why we are here on this platform, isn't it? Atul had done a survey, and I think almost everybody said that, hey, I want business. That's why I'm here. So we will get business with the help of all these people if we ask them. Okay. So I've been wondering, I've been in BNI for so many years and I was asking, and I've been in eGrowth also, and I've been asking. So if I'm not getting, the question which came to my mind was, am I asking properly? So my friend Amit has spent a lot of time talking about how to ask and all these things. Here is the question to you. If you are asking, are you following up? If you take this child, I still remember my little son wanted to travel with me to Bangalore. I was going for a training program. I said, I'm not going to take you. I never take my family when I go for training. Why not? I said, because they won't allow it. Why not? Did you ask them? I said, no. Then why don't you ask them? You teach people to ask, so why don't you ask? So I actually asked. And the company said, yeah, we don't have a problem as long as you're paying for the ticket. Then my next bahana to my son is, I'll never get the ticket. There is no time to take you next week. He said, have you asked the airline? I said, no. Then how do you know you won't get the ticket? Ask. I said, yeah, okay, I will ask. He said, oh, you ask now. So I rang up the airline and they said, yeah, we'll give you a ticket. So the moral of the story is, if we are asking, are we being unreasonable? See, I say something, if I want something, I'm responsible to make sure I get it. Just because I asked, there is no guarantee that these people will come forward and give it to me. Everybody is busy, Everybody is as busy as you are. One problem with the small entrepreneurs is they are too busy. We are fighting fires all the time. If you get too much business, you are busy trying to execute it. If you don't get business, you are too much busy trying to get the business. So it's like a dog running after his tail. So who's got the time to take care of your ask? So here's what I'm suggesting, ladies and gentlemen. We are all friends here. We are here to support each other, whether we say so or not. So if you take the trouble to call someone and you tell him, hey man, I really want help. Now don't be like this friend of mine who was the CEO of a company and out of a job for a long time, right? He was really suffering. So if anybody would meet him, so what are you doing, my friend? Mathur Saab? Oh, I'm doing consulting. And he went on like this for 6 months until his wife told my wife, "Ke yaar, kuch karo, do something about my husband. He's in desperate states, So then I asked him, I said, Mathur, what happened? Are you all right? Everything? Yeah, everything's fine. What are you doing? I'm doing consulting. I said, listen, don't tell lies, man. You've been out of a job. You're running out of money. So what's your problem? He says, yeah, no problem. I said, your best friend is your chuddy buddy. He was a roommate in IIT, in IMM. Have you spoken to him? No. I said, why don't you talk to him? So you look within you and find out what makes you not be unreasonable in making sure that you get what you ask for. That's my message to you. Are you willing to follow through and, like this child, make sure that you get what you want? If you're asking for something, go get it, yeah. So thank you very much. Sorry if I'm sounding like an advisor. That's not my intention. My intention was let's shake our brains up a little bit. So good day to you. Thank you.
Awesome.
That is excellent and excellent, Deepak. And that was one thing that came to my mind is that you conceive, believe, and you achieve. So if you conceive what you want and then ask it properly, and you believe in your ask, you will get it for sure.
Excellent.
Excellent.
Very nice.
And now we will move to a create session by Amit ji because it's already 9. So Amit ji, all over to you. Please start the create session.
Good morning, everyone. Are you able to see my slide?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. Okay, so I'll go a bit fast because shortage of time. What I want to cover here is a bit of my journey and what coaching is all about, what I do, and then come to the SWOT and the create session, the help I need from you, and my ask would be very clearly depicted there. Okay, so first of all, my background has.
So
been in the
Amit ji,
software
if you
industry.
give me just half a minute, I'll just create what is create.
Yeah, please.
All right. Yeah. So create is an acronym for, and how it goes is C stands for challenge, R is resolution, E is empathy, A is analysis, T is trust, and E is empower and enable. So this is for those who are experiencing it for the first time. I invite all of you to listen to Amit from these words. So he's sharing a challenge, help him with the resolution, empathize with him, they have enough trust in him and give enough trust to him. And then at the end, empower and enable him such that he gets actual solutions to what he's asking for. Amit, all yours. Thanks.
Thank you so much, Atul, for giving that information. So yeah, my background has been in the software industry for 3 decades. Worked in 5 companies. The names are listed here like TCS, Polaris, Keen, Fidelity, and Bravura Solutions. And worked in different locations globally. And also my last role was I was a country head for this fintech company, which we had grown 10 times in 6 years. But out of all this part, what I learned was very important was how decisions are taken, how at a top level, at a board level, decisions taken. I worked with that. So that gave me a lot of insight about decision making. Second thing I learned was about global mindset, working with people from different countries and different roles within the software industry, from a developer to a tester to a business unit head. That gave me a lot of mindset understanding of different set of people. And third was I also looked at the challenges of exponential growth in a company or in a business unit. So I've seen that from close quarter as such. But my journey changed, I would say when I was 42, 43. I went through my own journey of figuring out what I'm here to achieve. And with the help of my mentors and some coaches and some motivational speakers, I did my MBA at the age of 43 and learned. And then from there, it came to my mind that I should be a coach, a clarity coach. And I can help other companies and other business owners, entrepreneurs grow. So that made me brought a shift in me. At the age of 50, I became a coach and started sitting in a co-working space and working with young entrepreneurs. So now, and because I went through the journey, I got all the certification required. I'm a certified coach from ICF. I'm also certified as an independent director. I can become independent director in a company. So all those learnings and certification I did at age of 50 to change and start my second life. I'm a Joe Stocks speaker. I'm also an angel investor in Joe Stocks. I work with young startups, entrepreneurs to help them grow in their business as such, because they have energy, passion, ideas, but they don't know how to set up an organization for long term. And that was my experience as such, which I bring to the table. And then I ran a group coaching program. I do one-to-one coaching also. So this group coaching I've kind of held on for some time for last few months. Also, 2 years back, I released my book, The Clarity First. The first copy of the book was given to our late President, Pranab Mukherjee, at his residence. And it became a #1 bestseller. It was launched in Pragati Maidan in the International Book Fair. Now so that is all about me. Now coming to the main part is what coaching is all about. Please, if you are looking at this, please take a screenshot of this slide, because this is giving a understanding of what is the difference between coaching, counseling, consulting, training, and mentoring. And this has come from Ericsson Coaching International. So just to put in a context, coaching is about creating solutions by asking questions. So it's all about ask. So like Deepak ji was talking about, here in coaching also, it is all about asking questions so that we can derive the solution from you. The people who are expert in the field, who are experienced, they know everything, right? It is meant for those who are already expert, unse hi solution nikalna hai. So that is the part of coaching. Whereas at times I do consulting also, where it's about giving advice by analyzing the problems. But as a coaching part, it falls in this quadrant of creating solutions by asking questions. So this is very important slide for you to understand. And as a clarity coach, there are 4 hats I wear. Sometimes like a mirror to show your true self, because as like Bill Gates said once, that everyone needs a coach, because a coach only can give you a honest, brutal feedback, okay, what you are doing. Second is like a sounding board, and this is very important for decision making. When you're at the top as a business owner, you want somebody to help you take decisions, who can challenge you. I spent about 60-70% of my time working like a sounding board. And then as a punching bag, gussa nikalna hai, some frustration. Whom do you take out the frustration on? You can't take it out on anyone else in the family, in the office, anywhere else. But as a coach, at times I wear this punching bag. Here I don't ask questions. Here I only listen. That's all I do. Then is the pillar. That is the self-discovery part. Figuring out why you are doing what you're doing, why your vision of the company is what it is, what is your life purpose itself. So I go to that level of when I wear this hat of as a pillar. Now, the benefits of clarity coaching that I do, there are 5 tangible benefits. First and very foremost is accelerate business growth. Okay, because when you get clarity, you are able to go faster and reach your destination earlier than you would imagine. Second is about prioritization of activity. This looks very simple, but people miss this out, prioritization. And high-performing team, creating a high-performing team that can do wonders for you. And I'm working with multiple companies like Orange Mantra is one, there's QTech Technologies, there is Applis I'm working with. They are working on this accelerating business growth and creating high-performing team. And then it's about clarity of direction for self and the company. And also faster and wiser decisions and actions that comes up. And the intangible is obviously it is peace in mind and balance in life. This is, if you go to my spiritual self, I would call myself as more peace and balance. And obviously you get clarity of thoughts and actions also. Action is very, very important. In all my sessions, we do the actions there and then. We don't, like even the knowledge session we were talking about, if you're talking about ask, let's do it right now. So that's how I work in this space. Now, I want to just tell you also the framework I have. There are 2 frameworks I have. It's called Absolute Clarity Framework, where intent is to accelerate growth seamlessly and navigate through life joyfully. So there are 6 modules in it, which I coach and work on, which includes about prioritization, ownership. I talk about building lasting relationships, connecting the dots, taking actions, and also decision making. How do you decide? How do you make choices? So that's what comes under this. And the second one I have is a 7C engine. That's how can you get double the work done from your existing team. This I've done some webinars also on this as such, to how you can get more work done from your team that you already have. Okay. Now I want to just go to the real part of this session. I did a little bit of soul searching to figure out what are the strength, weakness, opportunities, and threats. So one strength I have is about 3 decades experience that I mentioned. Second is about Clarity Coach as a brand. I don't know anybody else who is a Clarity Coach. I'm also author and speaker, so that brings more visibility as such to me. I'll come to the weakness later on because that's important. Opportunities for me is I can see is increasing demand for coaching. I can see that happening. There's more openness for coaches now. Earlier, for probably 5 years back, it was different. And remote working options are opening up because people can come. They are easy to come on a Zoom call and have a coaching session. And this last statement is important. Is everyone needs a coach, including a coach. Like I have coaches and I coach coaches also. So everyone needs a coach and also clarity. So that's the opportunity I look at. Threat is there are many new business coaches which are in play, and there's a lot of competition, and they are offering different services. So there's a threat, so to say, over there. But the main part I wanted to bring out today was on the weakness. Weakness is, I would say, is about getting quality leads. Okay, getting quality leads. I'll mention that a little bit afterwards also. And also less awareness in market of the difference between coaching and consulting. We mix this up. People think I'm a consultant, but I'm a coach. But I can also play a role of a consultant. So there is that's why I showed that slide earlier, the difference between coaching and consulting. So these are the two weaknesses I can sense in me. And my ask from today from this audience is, and my problem statement is how to get quality leads in the best optimal way. Okay, how to get quality leads for me in a best optimal way. And before I open up the floor for everybody to share, I just wanted to mention that there are a few things I've tried and I'm trying. Some things work, some don't. But I just wanted to share that context so that you have clarity on that. For example, I've done master classes. I have tried Facebook ads. I've sent value emails. I do LinkedIn. If you go on my LinkedIn, there are a lot of posts I put. I've been in networking forums like BNI and Inner Circle and TIE. I just recently joined. And I'm right now trying this out, email marketing, sending to a very selected set of tech entrepreneurs to look at. Okay. So that's there. And my ask, like Deepak, you mentioned, my very clear ask is this. And that's what I need your help is how to get those quality leads based on this ask. The ask is founder and CEOs of software or service company, like OrangeMantra.com, that's one of my clients with the size of 10 CR plus and 50 plus employees in India who are stagnant for 2 to 3 years, or who are also maybe looking for next level growth. They are growing exponentially, but they now want to go to the next level. Okay. So, and I have a list of some of the names of companies, the type of companies that I want to connect with. So this I can share in the group or whatever it is. So they are the set of people, companies that I have kind of listed down. I have got data about them, but I need connects there. And yeah, so this is just a glimpse of the type of companies I'm looking at. Thank you so much. I think I'll open the floor for giving me ideas and thoughts on how to get quality leads in a best optimal way. Thank you.
Yeah, I feel now we can ask all our member participants here today that they could raise their hands on the thing so that we can connect with them. Virendra,
I have a request.
Yeah, sure.
Could you just once again share the ask slide for a minute?
Okay.
Maybe even 2 seconds.
Okay, I'll just share that. 1 second. This one? Yeah.
Your ask, yeah.
Yeah, this is my ask. I hope it's clear.
Yeah, I'm through.
Yeah.
There is more clarity in Clarity Coach, so not an issue.
I have to make sure that I ask around to clear the whole.
Right. Yeah. So you can
Done.
now close your, I think, presentation, and we can see who is raising the hands.
Yeah.
Yes, Mr. Rajesh Buddhiraja raised the hand. Yes, sir.
Hi, Amit. I wonder why you're limiting yourself only to tech companies. Because in the last 1 year, a lot of companies would have gone into a kind of a challenge mode. And to come out of that would be, needing a lot of clarity at the top level, at the leadership level in the companies. So why are you limiting yourself to tech companies only? I don't have access to tech companies, but I have access to a lot of other MSME companies who would probably like to come out of that challenge.
Just to clarify, it is tech companies or services company, any services company, because my background is not into manufacturing. I've tried to coach many, but leaving manufacturing, but it's a service company, that is also good for me.
Okay, I get that, but I think a lot of other companies would need your support too.
Okay, I'll make a note of that. Thank you.
Anyone else? So Amitji, what
Yes.
I feel that there is one thing which was missing in your activities which you have done. So when we go to a BBA kind of a thing where we think about what all activities I will do to get what results. So in that you have written Facebook, you have written LinkedIn, and you being a digital marketer, I also understand that you have to keep doing that activity. You cannot stop it. The only thing is you have to keep on checking whether you are connected to the right set of people where you want to reach, and then address them through your digital marketing activities. Second thing is YouTube is missing into that. You have not mentioned about YouTube there in your that list. So you can add YouTube as a channel, and you can start promoting yourself on YouTube, and with sharing knowledge, maybe 70, 20 and 10 is the ratio for it, where 70% is the knowledge, 20% is something where you are, creating offers, and 10% is something where you are actually asking them that what, selling something. It's like that. So you can try YouTube as an option now onward, because people would love to see the glimpse of your videos and your presentations also.
All right. I have a YouTube channel, I forgot, but not very active.
So you have to probably be more active on that. Yes, Mr. Yogesh Wadhwani.
Yeah, thank you. Amitji, just wanted to understand, you did say everything, but what is it that, what is the value proposition that is being provided by you for the CEOs and the directors? So that I felt was not very clear. There are a lot of things that you're bringing on the table. So normally CEOs and directors will only take a decision when they see कि मेरा value proposition क्या है और मेरे को यहाँ कितना मेरे को मतलब turn around कितना जल्दी हो सकता है मेरे लिए. They a quick fix or quick solutions. एक तो यहाँ पे कुछ एक मुझे दिखा, और दूसरा वीरेंद्र जी ने जैसे बताया, yes, that I agree that for marketing, yes, YouTube is the biggest thing now. Two things.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Mr. Sandeep Nath.
Yeah, hi. So, you mentioned that you're on TIE and BNI and this forum, but I'd like you to investigate the power of one-to-one collaborations. I found that very helpful, and I'd be happy to introduce you to some people I've been collaborating with, and we can collaborate because there's this forum that I had come across called Lunch Club, which is something I could introduce you to. And then based on those collaborations, there are, how do I put it, complementary skills that consultants can bring together. So that's something that I found working quite well. I'm at sandeepnath.com. Please do connect, and then we'll
I'll connect with you, definitely.
Right. Thank you. Anyone else want to contribute or give suggestions?
Yeah, Manishji.
Rajesh, you raised the hand again, or it is there for a long time? Rajesh,
I raised it again.
Okay. So I will complete Manish Kumarji's discussion, and then maybe. Yeah, Manish Kumar.
So one more thing, Amitji, as you are providing the coaching master classes to various platform or various company, you can do collaboration with some coaches, like anyone who's giving them digital marketing. One coach is providing business automation. So जो आपका line नहीं है, ठीक है? So you can collaborate with those coaches, coach, और आप एक दूसरे को you can give the counterpart. that I want to say. Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
May I say something? Okay. Amit.
Yeah.
You can collaborate with each and every one of us.
Okay.
Correct.
Now, what I mean to say is that, see, I'm certain that every one of us knows somebody or the other, like if you just heard what Rajesh was saying, right? She's actually offered to connect you to some people.
Yeah.
Okay. And I don't know if you actually welcomed it or you said, okay, ठीक है, देखते हैं. You get it? Yeah, because it's not in your area of, but I'm telling you, each and every person here will definitely know at least one or two people who can benefit from your services. Now, one question I want to ask you, are you like me who, you will do corporates as well as individuals? Or you do only corporates?
I coach the founders of the company, founder or CEO of the company.
So you coach, you start with the founders of the company.
Yeah, and then go to the next level.
Okay, are you open to doing it the other way around? So I'll tell you, I'm coaching 2 companies right now, and both companies, I mean, they were so happy with, what's happening with their VPs. Their CEO spoke to me yesterday and he says, so Deepak, I want to schedule time with you. All right? Because my challenge is that, see, I always like to work top down, at least in my training programs I do. I work with the top management team and then go down cascading. It's easier to work that way. There is a better buy-in. But lots of times when it comes to these very senior people, they are not very open to everybody for taking coaching from. You understand?
I know, I understand.
In their mind, you qualify. Like there'll be some guys, they will take coaching from Rajesh Budhiraja because he's IIT and all that. You understand? And he's an expert in his field. So there is that. However, if you manage to get an entry at another level, maybe the second level, then a lot of time you end up coaching the seniors also because suddenly they realize, what the hell have you done with this guy, man? So when they ask you that question, that itself becomes a coaching session. Because I remember this gentleman who was talking to me, it started off with, okay, what did you do with this guy? So I started sharing with him some of the questions that I asked. Basically, our questions make people change their point of view
obviously
about whatever's going on, right? When their point of view changes, something else changes. So in that conversation, he asked me, and I said something to him about, people have to play 6 leadership roles at the top management position.
So
suddenly,
so
if you can go upwards also, if you like.
So Sukhdev have a one-to-one with Amit. Let us move to the next one.
Yeah, certainly. I am going to have a one-to-one with him.
Yes.
A lot of collaboration we can do.
A heart-to-heart.
Yeah, heart-to-heart.
Mr. Hariyar Sharma, please.
Yes.
Yes. Before I would like to say, in fact, I've gone through your entire thing. There are a few things that you have already done, which I feel you have been doing, all those lists which I have already seen with complete clarity on it. So I will not repeat what you have been doing, but I would say is that your presence is more on the north. Means in the northern region, you are very well-known personality. People know you for what you're doing. And you have been giving, I feel, a single signal to people about who you are as a person. What is missing out is the All India Connect or globally now that you said that you have an opportunity with the Digital Connect. So what is missing is your digital presence that people across the globe, across India do not know what you're doing. So that's the major clarity on that, that people across, suppose you take Maharashtra or you take Andhra Pradesh or other states, people might not know you as a person, what you're doing. So the first thing is that, like what Atul Puri has been doing, making efforts, you can see this very clearly in the way he works, is to connect with the industry bodies. Okay, where like you had gone to the Punjab Association, for example, like that. Similarly, we have in Maharashtra also Masiya. You must be knowing about this, Maharashtra Chamber of Commerce and Industry. Like we will have in several places, we have such kind of industrial bodies where I feel you should become a keynote speaker, either digitally. Today, digitally it's happening there also, where you speak to the industry forum, and from there you'll get the right connects, because that's where it is producing a lot of CEOs and all those people are there, and the owners, the big people are there in those big bodies. So that is one thing that you could get leads directly from the industry forums, and that makes sense. That's number one. Number two, you said you are on YouTube, you're there on this thing, but I would say is that you should create, I don't know what is the frequency of your post, but you should start creating every day a 1 or 2 minutes video on one small topic of your thing and try to post it daily on YouTube. So there should be a daily one post, so 365 posts from Amit Chawla on clarity. That should be there with complete clarity. So people know that har din savere, they will have one 2 minutes video, number one. And number two is, if you can start creating audio podcasts, because many people go for a morning walk or they drive cars, they can't see videos. But if there's an audio podcast of yours,
okay,
that is something they can listen when they drive. That could be something that they can connect with you. So that is one thing that you can look at. And the best part is that now, since it's global, since we are looking at global, please see that how you can leverage your connect with James. For example, we have in eGrowth a platform, people from Thailand, people from Australia. See how you can network with them and get to know the industry connects there and try to do something for them. The more you give, the more you get. And I'm sure you will make it. You have complete clarity. You have the conviction with you. What you need is to leverage, take Atul's help and leverage. We are all here to connect you and help you. I'll connect you to Mr. Vikesh Walia, who's on the board of directors of Times of India. Okay, and he is doing something only for CEOs and directors. So I'll connect you on to him, and from there you can create your new world. Okay, thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Great. Mr. Rajesh Budhiraja.
Yeah, Amit, in fact, our H2H is pending.
I know.
And I would have loved if you had reached out to me to somehow fix that once again.
Yeah.
What I think Hariharan did mention very rightly. See, if you can give some examples of people who've come out of challenging situations and succeeded in life in the past, not the last 1 year, but in the past, currently people are looking at such kind of hand-holding and coaches who have done that in the past and therefore will replicate what has been happening in the last 1 year. So your YouTubes, if you can give examples, in your entire presentation, I didn't see anywhere that what kind of companies you engaged with and what were they facing as challenges and what you've supported them in coming out of. Those examples need to be highlighted so that the person knows that, yes, you achieved this XYZ with different companies. So that I think needs to come out. The other thing I see is you are, your ask was fairly weak. Your focus in the entire presentation was in making a very beautiful and crisp presentation, which you are an expert at. But I think your ask was fairly weak. I mean, I didn't get a feel that, you're really asking for support from people around.
Okay.
Yeah, so that's something which you probably need to look at, because your presentation was savvy. It was great, a lot of visuals, but somehow the ask was not very strong.
Ask not strong being the depiction was not clear, or the way I asked was not clear?
The way you asked.
Oh, okay.
Coming from within,
okay.
That ask was not very strong. And, I kind of reflect what Deepak said, that when I said, why limited yourself to tech companies only?
Yeah.
A lot of companies are looking for clarity today. And out of, your knowledge sessions, which you've been taking, you have a lot of crispness, your thoughts are very clear, you know how to go around things, you know how to reach out to people. So today, a lot of people are looking at people coming in and reaching out to them and giving them a clarity, not necessarily tech companies.
Yeah.
Great.
Yep.
Right. So I think Atulji, we should now move to visitors if we have, then we can move to us.
Right. So can I just add to this conversation before we move on? Yeah. So Amitji, how about rephrasing it from tech companies to tech savvy individuals? Okay. So there may be people who are into manufacturing or into services, but they are mentally they are open to newer technologies, newer pieces in life. I think that is what you mean when you are saying technology, because the person who's heading, he is not a manufacturer. He is not a service guy. He is somebody who's running an organization, and all people are the same who are running the organization. Okay, that's one piece. Second piece is in your presentation, there was one slide where you differentiated between coaching, counseling, consulting, training, everything, right? Now, that is something which brings clarity to the person that, oh, this is what I need to ask from the guy whom I have engaged. Is he a trainer? Is he a counselor? Is he a coach? So there are many blind spots. This is a typical term which is used in the coaching consulting arena. Blind spots, when I have a blind spot, I don't even know that this thing exists in the world. So with your 1-minute talks or your audio podcasts or any other way you are reaching out to people, the people will, their blind spots will get exposed. And the moment that blind spot gets exposed, then he will say, yes, Amit, you are for me. Then what will happen is all of a sudden from a push, it'll become pull. People will start asking for Amit. Today, Tony Robbins does not have to go and sell himself. People reach out to him. So I think this orientation will be very important. Rather than going out, inviting it. I think that comes from energy, from your own energy. Like he said, Rajesh ji just said, ask is weak. So that is probably the mindset also. None of them are tech companies, so they will not give to me. So you got half a foot inside the door. That's it. Right. So this was my piece.
Okay.
Super.
Yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you, everyone, for all the inputs and guidance. So I'll work on these and connect with some of you, with all of you, but with some very special.
I feel we should assign Rajesh Budraja as his buddy. So I feel both would work together and form something great.
Yeah, sure.
Yep. We'll connect.
Yeah, surely.
बाकी कुछ हो चाहे ना हो, वो टायर वाली कंपनियों को तो कोच मिल जाएगा, क्लैरिटी कोच.
In fact, Amit, in the coming week itself, let's physically meet.
Yeah.
All right. I think you carry on with the conversation. What we'll do is we'll get into a breakout room with the guests, and then you carry on with your conversation for a couple of minutes. All right.
Yeah.
So, Virendra ji, will you help with the breakout room, or should I do it? I'll do it.
Topic को करना पड़ेगा.
I need to leave also. I'll just
Yes. Amit ji, it was great, presentation. Thank you very much. We will touch. अपना भी heart to heart बचा हुआ है, तो आप बताइए.
बचा हुआ. Yeah, I'll send you a note.
Yes.
Atul, before you go, I just would like to tell everyone that so we are now tracking the scores. We are now just compiling the data of your references, your gives, and everything else. So I like to have your time to make you understand how to do that. So we already have our portal egrowth.org, so which fortunately our company has built up, and I will like to take you through that so that you are so you can punch in your data, and then it becomes easy for all of the rest to see that how I can myself rate my own performance within the circle and see that how I'm doing, so how my curve is doing, and that is one way of say looking at my performance and others' performance in that, so that it is very meaningful and things come out of it. That because in absence of measurement parameters, everything goes here.
Absolutely.
So
Yeah.
when you want to do it, Rajesh ji?
आप बता दीजिए say around Monday, Tuesday का बता दीजिए.
1-to-1 करवा लो और फिर offline you can do it.
No, I think it is the way I was discussing.
Virendra ji, just please, if you can tell me whom else should I add into the this breakout room, and then you can.
So Yogesh Pawar is there.
Yeah, Yogesh, Sandeep, and Yogesh are there from our side.
Yeah,
from our side, who all? हाँ.
So I think Hariyar ji को आप ले सकते हैं.
ठीक है, मैं ले रहा हूँ. Done. Okay.
Hariyar ji is good for this. Okay.
Perfect.
So Rajesh ji, what I feel, मैंने last time भी कहा था कि what is happening. People are now started using app, and even we have egrowth.org. So if you can cover both in one session, because induction was supposed to happen and we are supposed to do this into that, but somehow it is not happening. So if you can conduct that session where you are talking about use of mobile app and use of
हाँ जी, हरियर जी, how are you doing?
हम दोनों हैं.
Yeah.
अब candidates को लेके आओ जो जिनको.
Yeah, Sandeep is there. Yeah.
Sandeep Nath is there. And who are the other two?
Yogesh Kawande and Yogesh Pawar.
उन्होंने join नहीं किया अभी.
आ जाएंगे. Hi Sandeep.
Hi Sandeep.
Hi.
Great.
Nice. Good morning again. Nice.
Good morning.
Great morning.
So how was
I love your idea, Harihar, of having the phone number there. मैंने in fact screenshot ले लिया. I'm going to give you a call about this Times of India thing.
Okay. Great. Yeah, because we are mostly on various forums. So what happens is sometimes numbers लोग डालते नहीं है chat में. So here you're visible. So जिसको really connect करना वो chat box में या participant में number रहता है तो जरूर connect कर लेता है. And some of them don't post there. So that's another thing. So, okay, now Sandeep, how do you actually feel? How was this session? You have been into various forums, I feel, earlier also, right?
Yes.
You are a member of BNI or any other forum?
Well conducted. I have been to several BNI meetings, but I did not get the right energy from almost 4 or 5 of them. So I thought that it's probably not the right setting for some reason. I take most of my decisions.
In various networking forums. I want to ask you that since you have been in several networking forums, how do you feel and rate e-growth? How has it been for you?
I enjoyed the session this morning, and I find that there is a nice camaraderie around here. And in fact, the idea of having the introductions was a very good one, which Atul, I think we must take into PSAI also. It
Absolutely.
Very useful.
Yeah.
Because that is the wealth, and right. Of course the concepts of asks and gives must be more dynamic. So every week people have to have a way of updating it. I would in fact suggest that the ask and give need not be on the slide. That's what the person says while the people can read the slide. So in that 20 seconds that is allotted to the person, just the ask and give comes.
What about the knowledge and the create session that you saw today? The create session.
The create session was innovative, but with so many 50-odd members, the possibility of involving oneself in the create session in 50 weeks is once a year or thereabouts, right? So, which is good. I think getting
what
that
we
sort of
actually
input
wanted
is
to
good.
create was, what we actually wanted to create is, while for the large big companies, you've got a lot of corporate trainers, A lot of people hand-holding on that support there.
Right.
But for the small and micro entrepreneurs, his challenges, here is a forum where we have got a lot of people with more than 30 years of experience connect. So you get, at least others know that what you're dealing with today in your business, your challenges. Okay, so you have a set of friends who are there to be with you. It is, although it may be one time, but every time business is dynamic and each time you have a new challenge. But you know who are the set of people I can go to. So you will get a mentor, a friend. Yeah.
And also another aspect is, it is not about everyone getting an opportunity to present. It is that whosoever is presenting, he is sharing some of the challenges which I face. So when Amit Chawla was sharing, some of his challenges were what I personally face. So whatsoever inputs he's got, those are inputs for me also. So it's like in one year.
Like I said, that Times of India thing works for me also.
Absolutely. That's exactly what I'm saying. So that means in 52 weeks, you've got 52 episodes of multiple inputs for your own business. How much you take to your business and how much value you create out of it, that is purely up to you. It's more of a pull.
Correct. I agree with you, Atul.
Yeah.
I think when Hari,
as he says, Atul says, that common.
Sorry, please continue.
There are common issues, means common challenges.
They're common.
Common challenges by many, and they relate to everyone. That's what Atul wanted to say.
Correct. Now, when you were saying that about explaining how the create methodology works, that's the time it actually came to my head what my discomfort was, because there's something that I didn't find was not going right. Which was actually not to do with the fact that you will speak once a year. It was to do with the fact that the methodology that you said, Atul, about challenge and CREATE, it was not coming out in Amit's presentation. So maybe if you template that and you just have 6 slides for CREATE, then how I am, maybe because it's the first time I am attending the meeting, but how anybody brackets the decision points and what's to be said probably will become easier. I understand the challenge. If you ask me what are Amit's challenges, I still don't understand. I just understand he's got the same problem everybody has, nobody gets leads.
Yeah.
You know? So that is only the ask. But what is the empowering part of it? That clarity was not evidenced in Create, which can be done with templating it.
Fair enough. Point well taken.
Conceptually, it's very nice.
Yeah. So this is how with fresh blood we keep on evolving. So it's never stale for us. Yeah. So now with this, would you consider to join the inner circle?
So what would that mean? What is the give and take of it?
Yeah, so eGrowth as a larger community, it is all about small businesses coming together, collaborating among themselves and growing their business. So that's maybe in terms of the scale or in terms of quality or in terms of multiple aspects, right? And obviously creating more opportunities either within the community or through the community. Like now when Hariharan Sharma ji is speaking about Times of India and you get across to them, so here's an opportunity which opens up for you through him, right? So in Inner Circle, you get to participate in these 52 meetings. Right now we are around 55 people who are there on Inner Circle who come from 5 countries. Okay, we are looking at taking this to around 500 people towards the end of the year. Okay. I do understand that so many people may not be participating in the meetings, but when you have that community, you can always reach out to them during the week and keep on building on it. And these are curated. So this is an invitation only. We are not looking at everybody. We are looking at those people, ones who are contributors. Okay, if you are somebody who by nature is there only to extract, we will not extend an invite, or even if you join, you will feel suffocated. Okay, second piece is somebody who has a business which is a pan-India or a global appeal. Okay, If you are somebody who has a business which is more 80% of your business comes from the same city, again you will get suffocated. All right. Third piece is this business, if it is a B2B kind of a business, then it is worthwhile. Okay, if it is a B2C kind of a thing, then you may be a retailer on Amazon. You'll not find that kind of enjoyment here. So if these three things are there, then it makes sense for you to be on Inner Circle.
I will add one more thing is that if you are the giver, if you are a big giver, then
Yeah,
you are the right person.
That's the first thing that I started with, contributor. Yeah.
Yeah. So if you can contribute, if you can help people, obviously you will get. Yes, how much you are able to leverage from your from the. I feel here what we have compared to other forums is an average industry experience of 30 years plus. So very mature individuals, like-minded, highly intellectual, and having some kind of knowledge in their domain where they are the number one. So these all, when a lot of number ones come together, and you are in an ecosystem, which will automatically you have to just stand like in the train where you want to go. बाकी आपको धक्का मार देंगे train के अंदर.
So this is like a complete think tank coming together.
So you will just get pushed into a train of success where it will take you to where you want. That is your destination, right? So that's the train where we are. eGrowth is the train, and we are all the members ready to push you into the train. Okay, so would you like to be a part of this ecosystem?
Yeah, that's a very vivid picture. Yes, it does sound very appealing. Go on.
Great. Yeah, so one thing, so you spoke about BNI. So BNI, they say that you get a team of salespeople for yourself, right? And how I look at Inner Circle is you get a board of directors for yourself. Right. So that's
yes, that's what Hari's saying. 30 years plus experience makes sense. Yeah.
Somebody who
I
has
could
gone
sense that from quite a few of the participants.
Yeah, and main it is that how do you connect with people? How do you leverage yourself? How do you bring in your value systems with each one? Each individual is one of the best in his domain or expertise where he is. तो अगर आप ऐसे लोगों के साथ रहेंगे साथ में, तो ऑटोमेटिक जो है आपका जो लक्ष्य कहीं पे भी होगा, तो all are there to help you go along with that and take you to the right direction. That's what I want. Each one of one is here to help each other, and I can say 30 years is a quite good number of experience.
Correct.
Joe, like I can just call someone with 30 years of experience when I'm having a pain in finance, when I have pain in HR, consulting, training. I just know whom I should call, and he is there. He is going to pakka lift the phone and help me. वो तभी ये नहीं बोलेगा ये commercial terms है मेरा, तब मैं बताऊंगा. That's the biggest part.
Right.
Okay.
Right.
Yeah.
Right.
So anything else you would like to know
So I feel Atul, you can also tell him about the commercials. Please explain him about the commercials of the joining.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
So this we have a year-long membership, which is priced at 30,000 rupees per annum, and as a special deal, we'll offering it at 20,000 rupees. Okay, in which you get access to this. You also get access to the platform. So that means on our portal, you have there are around 19,000 business owners right now. We've launched an app a couple of months back. Right now, we've got around 700 plus people on the app. Okay, there you get to create your profile, you get to post blogs, you get to post articles, you get to post posts, then your requirements, offers, everything on the platform. Most important is you get access to the contact details of all the people on the platform. So you can keep on just reaching out to them and speaking to them and everything. This is how you build your network relationship.
And the number of meetings that you can attend is not 52. I will stand corrected. It is into 2. Okay.
In fact, I would say 3 now.
Atul ji is thoda chook. Yeah. So now you need to correct that, Atul, when you present properly.
In fact,
so
right
it's
now
like this. We have an India mixer thing. First, explain him what are the other meetings.
Yeah. So while the inner circle was this format where we are working on the challenges, and it's an exclusive meeting, it is not open for everybody. Then we've got an India mixer which happens on Tuesday evening 7 o'clock, which is an open networking forum. Anybody can come and join. Okay, just come chit chat. We have a knowledge session. Somebody would come and share some knowledge from his perspective, and then there'll be a small networking piece. And I've just got present today. We also have an opportunity to participate in the Entrepreneur Connect Dubai EC2. So Anil and Alifia and Harihar Sharma, they are in the managing committee of Entrepreneur Connect, which happens on Saturday morning 9 o'clock India time, 7:30 Dubai
that's
time.
Tomorrow, and that's also free.
That is also available to the inner circle members. So as we get along, I'm sure we will get some more such opportunities from different networking platforms. So that is available to the inner circle members.
So in a nutshell, this is called as a platform of platforms.
Absolutely.
That
is how we're cultivating
it. You're getting into and then number 2 is that you're going to get connected. See, one is this, that you are here today in the inner circle, but there's one more meeting on the mixer. One, please attend that also, where you can even become one of the speakers in your domain, where you can share knowledge. And people would connect to you after listening to you. And there's a mixer. So when it is a mixer, it's free. So there are a lot of people who want free, they come in and then they see it.
And
from there you can get connects again, all India. And then, and also then you leverage your connect to the Dubai eConnect, where I'm also the head of India operations there. So there also you can leverage yourself and get connected to Australia and other people. Okay, so there are several connects from Dubai also. तो वहां पे भी आपको leveraging मिलेगा, एक ही प्लेटफॉर्म में से आपको कहीं आप पहुंच सकते हैं. So more than connects, it's mainly like when we open a bank account, we don't go with a withdrawal slip, we go with a deposit slip. So the giver's gain is there always in any networking.
Good point.
Any networking, it's how do you make use of it. पहले डे पे ही आप अपना चेक विड्रॉल स्लिप लेके जा रहे हो, या पहले दिन से मुझे देना है वो लेके जा रहे हो. Choice is yours.
Right.
Within or inside
So,
out.
Right. No, all that sounds good. I have 2 things here.
Right.
One is that let me just study the site, and I'd like to attend the mixer also. And I don't take time to take decisions on these things.
Also attend tomorrow's eConnect. We'll
अच्छा,
send you the
उसका
link. कल सवेरे है 9 बजे से 10:30 बजे, वो भी अटेंड कर लीजिए.
India time 9 o'clock.
Yes.
Okay. Perfect. Thank you so much. So yeah, in the course of the next week, I will take a decision. Second thing that's coming to my mind is 2 sensitive questions, and I ask you these questions because I can ask Atul anything, and I think Hari will not mind. One question is that when we have the availability of all these connects, why is, of course, you can't speak for him, but why isn't a member like Amit Sharma utilizing this for business development? Why does he have to come up with that question of where to get leads from? You can't answer for him, but why do you think?
So this is because people are not used to this. In spite of being in a network, so we go to a networking meetup, invariably we'll end up spending most of our time with 1 or 2 people whom we know. Stand in one corner with a glass in hand and come back. Even though in that room, you've got 100 people. Or second best piece, what you would do is you will go and shake hands with a couple of people and come back home with maybe 20 cards, which will be there on your desk, then into your drawer, and then into a collection of 1,000 cards. And after some time, you will not even recognize where did you get this card. This is how we are wired. So that is a mindset piece. We're evolving how to get that sorted.
Also, it's like
I
this.
can buy
What your
that, yeah.
focus is what you get. Like वो जो जाता है वो वैसा ही फोकस करके जाता है कि मुझे क्या चाहिए वहां से, तो उतना ही ढूंढता है. Like when you want to say in this room how many red colors do you see, then you start seeking only red colors.
And also it is like
the rest of the colors go blank. So what you focus get zoomed in.
Absolutely.
Get zoomed in. Yeah, that's it.
So it's very similar to our PSI meetings, right? We got so many members, yet so few people come. We take the example of Ashutosh. Ashutosh is a part of the inner circle. He comes once in a while, and he religiously comes to PSI or to Speakers Tribe, and he's paid money both places. And the second question that you had?
Speaking of money, that is my second sensitive question. How is this 20K or whatever amount being utilized?
So
this is always an online forum, right?
Yeah, so that is being utilized in building the platform as such. Okay, so if you look at the portal, that itself is a big expense. The mobile app, that was not there till a couple of weeks back, a couple of months back. That is an investment, all right? And the running the company itself is, when we are talking about 35,000 connects, building those connects, nurturing those connects, most of them are free. So all that
the office cost is also there. There's an office operational cost. Like they have a team of people who are doing digital thing. There is Ronika with us. There are staff who are working on the back end who gives you this call. They coordinate with people. All that is going to be a fixed
Harihar,
cost.
the maths of 500 into 20,000 is quite a large number, right?
So
yeah, right now we don't have 500,
so
right?
One is that is not a large number. So since you've asked a sensitive question, I'll give you a sensitive answer. I used to work.
This question is up in PSI also. They've got a corpus of 29 lakhs. Nobody knows what's happening with 29 lakhs.
I'll tell you. So one, this is not a not-for-profit organization. This is a for-profit organization. So there's a company called EBN Learning Private Limited which runs this. Okay. Second piece, I used to have a corporate job. After 20 years, there was a decent package that I was drawing. And past 4 years, I have not drawn a salary. Right? This, just the portal itself, I have paid around 25 lakhs in the past 3 years to get this built. So nobody will come back and say that, okay, great, please take this 5 lakh rupees from me that you built this. So that has to come from these 20,000 rupees. Second, it is not about what and whom you are paying. It is about the value that you are creating. In these 20,000 rupees, are you creating a pipeline of 20 lakhs? Right now,
I would say 2 crores. I would say 2 crores can you create?
Yeah, absolutely.
That's your ability.
Absolutely. So
your
right
ability.
now, yeah.
True. No, that is a mindset of how you're looking at it as an investment. I am looking at asking the question from the point of view of ja kahan raha hai, you know. So like
ja
that's the
raha hai
we have in PSI. Nobody knows where.
Yeah. So ye ja raha hai. So this is now this platform which is built of 35,000 people who are already there. Getting them there also had a cost, right? So it is amortizing the investment which has already been made. Second, now we're talking about the app. Okay. Tomorrow we might have some physical events, some trade shows.
Right.
So all those are.
But this EBN Learning Solutions is privately
Even they have
held.
road shows.
Yeah,
road
that's
trips.
privately held. I am the director. My mother is a director.
Even they do road shows, so all these things.
So 2 weeks back,
Yeah, of
2
course.
weeks back, we
Bringing
had
value
gone.
to the members is the primary responsibility of EBN. That is understood.
So 2 weeks back, I had gone on a road trip to Punjab. Okay, 3 days we were in Punjab. We met 4 associations and maybe around 50 odd people. So a part of these 20,000 rupees was paid to the hotel where we stayed, to the dhaba walas where we ate food, so that we could bring value to the 35,000 people who are there on the platform. Is that a fair deal, fair piece to ask?
Well answered.
Yeah, similarly, we also
guys.
we also travel and then we add value to the company. Okay, wherever we go. So that's how we do. Yeah. So Industry Connect will help. Like I was in last week in Jalgaon, and there I went and met Jinda, Jalgaon Industries Association का जो chairperson है, उनको connect किया. So we are trying to bring them on our platform. All the industry.
And EBN is paying those bills. All right.
No, EBN has created that. So I've personally traveled around 80,000 kilometers between 2017 and 19. Okay. I spent around 90 days on the road.
So he has to buy one full new car. 80,000 का भी एक car भी लेना पड़ेगा.
बिल्कुल. Yeah. So all that is I invested in the futures, right? In the future of the platform. And now I think as an organization, we do deserve to get paid for what we invested 3 years back, 4 years back. That's all where the money goes. So it's like.
So I'll see you tomorrow, Hariyar. And Tuesday, Wednesday, we'll take a call Wednesday.
All right. Great.
All right.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Stay connected. Yeah.
Bye. See you. Bye. Thanks. Okay, Hariyar ji.
I feel it's over. We can leave. Atul, I'll take your leave.
Absolutely. All right. Thank you. Great. Yeah.
Bye.